How to get dark mode on TikTok Android. The first thing you should know that there is no any direct option where you can enable the dark mode in TikTok. So what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. In the source bar, search for developer option and then head over to it. Scroll all the way down and search for override force dark. Once you have find that option, what you want to do is to enable it. Well, for some of the users, this method might or might not work at all. Well, if it doesn't work for you, then what you can do is head over to the Play Store and search for TikTok Lite. So what you have to do is simply install this application. Once it has been installed, and if you open the app, you can directly see that the dark mode has been enabled. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get the dark mode on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.